What happens when quantum physics stops being microscopic and takes over the entire material? And what if I told you there are materials that can make magnets float forever? And liquids that can climb walls like they're alive? Quantum physics usually hides in the tiny world of atoms. But sometimes, under extreme conditions, entire materials fall into a single shared quantum state. This is called macroscopic quantum coherence, millions of particles acting like one unified wave. And when that happens, reality gets weird in the best possible way. One way we can observe quantum states is in superconductors, electricity with zero resistance. In normal wires, electricity wastes energy as heat. But in a superconductor, electrons pair up and move without friction, literally zero resistance. That means no energy lost, no heat, just perfect flow. And the best part? Superconductors push magnetic fields out of themselves. This creates quantum locking, where a magnet hovers in place like it's pinned to invisible rails. This isn't CGI. It's real physics, and it's already used in MRI machines, particle accelerators, and experimental maglev trains. Let's look at superfluids, liquids with no friction. Now imagine a liquid that never slows down. A superfluid has zero viscosity, meaning it flows without friction. Superfluid helium can climb walls, leak through microscopic cracks, and form vortices that spin endlessly. It behaves less like a liquid and more like a quantum ghost. Just like superconductors, superfluids arise when particles fall into a single coherent quantum state. Millions of atoms acting as one. Why this matters? These aren't just scientific curiosities. Superconductors could revolutionize power grids with zero-loss electricity. They're essential for MRI machines, fusion reactors, and quantum computers. Superfluids help scientists study neutron stars, early universe physics, and the limits of quantum mechanics. These materials are windows into a future where quantum technology becomes everyday technology. The quantum mystery still unfolds. Even today, we don't fully understand every detail of these states. Why do some materials become superconductors while others don't? How can a liquid defy gravity and friction? We're still learning, and every experiment reveals something stranger than the last. Superconductors and superfluids show us what happens when the quantum world scales up, when matter stops behaving like matter and starts behaving like a single, unified wave. If this is what nature does when we cool things down, what other hidden states of reality are waiting for us to discover?